some questions related with limits. Next question. If fx is equal to 1 minus root 2 sin x upon pi minus 4x for x not equal to pi by 4 is continuous at x equal to pi by 4, then f pi by 4 is equal to, we have to find this value. F pi by 4, we want to find f pi by 4 is equal to limit as x tends to pi by 4, x tends to pi by 4 of fx is equal to limit as x tends to pi by 4. Fx is this function 1 minus root 2 sin x pi minus 4x. Such types of limits can solve by using substitution method. In this method, put x is equal to pi by 4 plus h as x tends to pi by 4, x tends to 0. Therefore, is equal to limit h tends to 0 of h tends to 0 1 minus root 2 sin x is pi by 4 plus h upon pi minus 4, x is there. 1 minus root 2 sin x, pi minus 4x, pi minus 4, x is pi by 4 plus h. If pi by 4 is limit as x tends to pi by 4 of fx is equal to limit as x tends to pi by 4 of this function. Next, by substitution method. Next point is find value of this sin pi by 4 plus h. Sin pi by 4 plus h. Sin a plus b, sin a cos b plus cos a sin b. Sin pi by 4 plus h. Sin pi by 4 cos h plus cos pi by 4 sin h. Sin pi by 4 plus h. Sin pi by 4 cos h plus cos pi by 4 sin h is equal to sin pi by 4 1 upon root 2 cos h, cos pi by 4 1 upon root 2 sin h is equal to 1 upon root 2 common in the bracket cos h plus sin h. Sin pi by 4 plus h, sin pi by 4 cos h plus cos pi by 4 sin h 1 upon root 2. Value of sin pi by 4 cos h as it is. Cos pi by 4 1 upon root 2 sin h as it is 1 upon root 2 common cos h plus sin h. This is value of this term sin pi by 4 plus h. Now what is actual numerator is therefore numerator is equal to 1 minus root 2 Sin pi by 4 plus h. This value is there 1 upon root 2 cos h plus sin h. Minus. Now in these two terms there is product. In these two terms there is product, so they cancel. At the outside bracket there is minus sign. Minus. In the bracket cos h plus sin h. This is minus sign. This is 1 is there. 1 into this bracket is this bracket. Next step. 1 sign changes inside, minus cos h minus sin h. This is value of numerator. Value of denominator is pi minus multiply inside by 4. 4 pi upon 4 plus 4h. 4 get cancelled. Pi sign changes inside, minus pi minus 4h. Pi get cancelled, minus 4h. This is value of denominator. Value of numerator and value of denominator. Therefore is equal to limit as h tends to 0. Value of numerator is 1 minus is 1 was there. So his value of numerator is 1 minus cos h minus sin h. Value of denominator is minus 4h. Numerator's value is this value. Value of denominator is minus 4h. 1 minus cos h. 1 minus cos h. Formula is 2 sin square h by 2 minus sin h. Half angle formula 2 sin h by 2 cos h by 2 sin h. 2 sin h by 2 into cos h by 2. At the denominator minus 4h. 1 minus cos h. 2 sin square h by formula minus sin h. 2 sin h by 2 cos h by 2 half angle formula. Next step. From numerator 2 sin h by 2 common. 2 sin h by 2 common. Here remains sin h by 2 minus cos h by 2. Sin h by 2, 2 sin h by 2 common. Here is sin h by 2 minus cos h by 2 is minus cos h by 2 is there. Minus h is minus cos h by 2 denominator minus 4h. This is numerator minus 4h denominator. Now 2 sin h by 2 Sin h by 2. Add this formula of sin h by 2 upon h by 2 into h by 2 in the another bracket. Sin h by 2 minus cos h by 2. At the denominator there is minus 4h minus 4h. Now h from denominator and h from numerator get cancelled. H by 2 into 1 upon 4h. H by 2 into 1 upon 4h. So h from this step and this step get cancelled, and then next step is sin h by 2 upon h by 2, and this limit value is 1, therefore 2, this value 1, h get cancelled, this value half, sin h is 0, cos h is 0, 2 get cancelled since in every term there is product. At the denominator there is remaining term minus 4 was there. So at the numerator sin 0 is 0, this is 1, minus 1, and this minus 4 becomes, sin becomes plus, answer is 1 by 4. 1 by 4 is the answer.